Okay, everyone. So welcome to Euron channel, and I have a couple of updates for all of you. So let me share my screen. So basically, guys, we have launched multiple live batches. So one live batch is a generative AI interview bootcamp, which is going to start from 25th of this month. So again, in a week of time, or you can say 8-9 days of time. So this batch we are going to start. So I'm going to take this batch personally, by the way, and I'm going to talk about all kind of a interview scenario, all kind of a interview storytelling, and many more things, right? So everything around interview, obviously, I'm going to discuss. Plus, we are literally enjoying this particular batch, Generative AI Certification Bootcamp. So if you will come to a group and then if you'll ask a question to anyone, so obviously people are pretty much helpful. They are basically building a very strong community, and they are helping each other, not just in terms of learning, but yeah, in terms of other things as well. So this batch is literally amazing, and this is something that I'm going to start next. And here we have a DSA with Python bootcamp, and this one will be we are going to start it on 14th of September. Again, mentor is amazing, syllabus is amazing. So mentor is from like NIT, and then he has been working into a multiple product-based companies. Plus he was teaching. Plus he is going to join Google-like company in the next month. So a lot of advantages you all will be able to get even in a real time, and you all will be able to see a proper, mature, premium, pro-grade mentor in this particular batch. Not just like a a mentor so who is just doing a mentoring, but yeah, a mentor who is literally working into a product, literally working into a company, or maybe they have worked. So this kind of a mentor we are going to bring for all of you again. So on a similar thing, we are trying to bring one batch for a full stack web development bootcamp. So basically many people was like having a demand that why can't you bring a batch in a Hindi, right? Keeping that in mind, guys, so this is the batch we have created, and when we have like observed, so we have observed that people are looking for a development batch mostly in Hindi language. So we are like planning to bring this one, and so we have launched this batch. And again, mentor is amazing. He's an experienced guy who has worked into a front end as well as he has worked into a back end, and this batch is going to start from 20th or 20th of September. Yeah, so this is going to start from 20th of September, and you all are going to love it. Believe me, you all are going to love this one, the way Ajay is going to teach, because he's an experienced mentor, right? So in a storytelling way, even for a layman, even for a person who is coming from a complete new background, even you will be able to understand this one. Yeah, so hope all of you are going to like it, all of you are going to love it. With that, thank you so much, everyone. Take care, and see you again. A lot of features, a lot of things we have already released, we have already launched, and many more things will keep on launching, will keep on releasing for all of you. So till then, take care, everyone. Thank you.